Construction at Spotify Camp Nou is accelerating fast. And this week, the stadium revealed changes almost nobody expected. The long, silent diamond section is suddenly active again. Lamella preparation is moving faster than anticipated, and new lighting systems are already appearing above completed facade areas. At the same time, the compression ring, painting work, and infrastructure installation are all advancing together across the site. From Gol Sud to the Tribuna, this update shows a project that's no longer slowly progressing. It's rapidly taking shape. Let's start with the zone nobody expected to be active this week, the diamond section. This is the distinctive diamond-shaped structure near the Tribuna corner, planned to become a future cafe and hospitality space inside the renovated stadium. For months, it sat behind blue sheeting with virtually no visible activity. Then this week, everything changed. Concrete is being poured, formwork is being assembled, and new utility tubing is being installed behind the brackets. Workers are actively preparing the foundations for what will eventually become a finished interior hospitality area. It's not glamorous footage, mostly pistons, formwork, and concrete. But the fact that this section has suddenly come back to life after such a long pause is a major sign of how many construction fronts are now advancing simultaneously. The compression ring continues its steady march forward, and this week, the corner sections are attracting the most attention. New flanges, the connecting plates that link the radial beams around the ring corners, are appearing almost daily, bolted into place by crews working from aerial platforms. The expectation was always that this would be slow, painstaking work. And it is meticulous. But the pace has still been genuinely impressive. Each corner is expected to require 4 flanges to fully complete the radial beam connections. And in the sections visible this Friday, that count is clearly increasing. The ring keeps growing, and what's happening beneath it at ground level tells another important part of the story. Drop down from the ring to the second cantilever level, and the nature of the work changes completely. Here, blocks are being cut and stacked, reinforcement armatures are being positioned, and new block walls are steadily rising beneath the stadium seating. This is infrastructure work, the kind that doesn't necessarily look dramatic on camera, but is absolutely essential. The likely purpose includes utility partitions, service corridors, sink areas, and operational spaces that will ultimately make the stadium function efficiently on match day. Sparks are flying here as well, with welding and metal cutting operations underway, while workers in helmets and harnesses move across multiple platforms simultaneously. It's sequential, methodical construction work, exactly the type of progress that has to happen before the upper structure can eventually be sealed off completely. And painting operations are advancing just as steadily. Inside the first VIP ring at Spotify Camp Nou, crews continue interior work, with metal cutting sparks visible as workers shape sections of the space. Glass panels are already installed, still waiting for the final doors. Progress is continuing, but there's still a difference between finishing construction and opening these VIP areas for public use. Right now, the interiors are advancing at their own pace. Meanwhile, limited work continues in parts of the second VIP ring and upper third tier, where crews are preparing future access and service areas. The future store and nearby diamond area at Spotify Camp Nou continue looking more complete every week. According to people connected to the Barça staff, the expectation is for the future store to open around Easter next year. Meanwhile, new supports are appearing near the diamond section, likely preparing for a giant screen installations as the hospitality zone takes shape. Most work now appears focused on the interiors, while the exposed concrete finish is giving this area a modern architectural appearance. This is the update that defines the week. You would assume the Lamella installation, the vertical facade slats that will wrap the entire exterior of the stadium, was still months away from serious preparation. It isn't. At Gol Sud, workers on elevated platforms are already fine-tuning anchor points, adjusting them into perfect alignment, and installing guide rails to ensure everything is straight before the slats arrive. At Gol Nord, the exact same process is underway. Vertical guide systems are already extending from the brackets down to the false ceiling level, with 4 newly installed support brackets confirmed in place since the previous day alone. Stacks of lamellas are already staged behind the access doors, ready for installation. The message from the site this Sunday was very clear. Installation in several sectors could begin as early as next week. That's not speculation. That's what the construction site itself is showing. Before any lamella or sandwich panel can be installed, the steel structure underneath has to be protected. That means painting, and right now, painting crews are active across multiple zones simultaneously. At the Goal Nord stands area, dedicated teams are coating structural beams, bolts, and anchor points with primer and finishing layers. At the Tribuna corner, the same process is ongoing. The upper sections of the Valides brackets have already been painted, while the lower sections are still awaiting treatment. It's the kind of task that becomes invisible once the facade is finished. But without it, corrosion inside an enclosed steel structure could become a serious problem within a decade. The important detail is that this work is happening in parallel with alignment preparation and anchor installation. This project is no longer advancing one step at a time. It's running on multiple tracks simultaneously. The sandwich panels, the insulated cladding elements used for facade coverage, are now stacked in large quantities waiting for installation. One panel in the lateral tribuna section was visibly missing this week, leaving a noticeable open gap. Meanwhile, workers continue progressing on tubing installations behind the brackets. Large diameter pipes are being fitted carefully into position piece by piece. Once the facade closes, these systems will remain hidden behind the lamellas. A concrete pump is also positioned nearby with its boom prepared for additional pours, while cranes remain on standby to lift platforms and materials into place. The activity level in this area is intense. And above the already completed lamella sections, something new has appeared that changes how the stadium will eventually look at night. This is the detail that completely changes how you imagine this stadium after dark. Spotlight fixtures have already been installed above sections of the completed lamellas. Their purpose is to illuminate the vertical facade from above, casting light downward across the slats. When the stadium is finally completed and illuminated for a future UEFA Champions League night, this is the system that will create those dramatic exterior visuals. It's easy to become absorbed in structural progress, beams, bolts, concrete, steel, and overlook the fact that electrical and lighting systems are already being integrated alongside everything else. Workers were on site this week preparing the next mounting sections for additional lighting fixtures. The aesthetic layer of the stadium is already being built in real time, not saved until the end of the project. Coming into this week, the big question was whether this project was showing any signs of slowing down. Coming out of it, the answer looks like the exact opposite. Lamella anchor preparation is further advanced than expected, with installations potentially beginning next week in multiple sectors. The diamond section is back under active construction after months of silence. The compression ring is gaining flanges daily. Lighting systems are being installed. Painting operations are progressing simultaneously across multiple zones. And all of this is happening at the same time, with additional weekend work also expected given that no match is currently scheduled at the stadium. That's not a project drifting toward a deadline. That's a project accelerating toward one. Next week, we'll find out whether the first full lamella sections finally start going up, and if they do, this renovation is going to look very different very quickly. If you want to see the moment the lamellas officially begin rising across the facade of Spotify Camp Nou, subscribe, and we'll be back on site next week.